Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video on the blower motor on the 2005 Hilux N70. They don't have the filter like the upgraded models do, the facelift models, and it's a pain in the backside when you get leaves down the intake. As you see, we've got lots of trees and the leaves fall into the intake, and from there it's challenging to get them out, so they actually go down between the windscreen. I'll show you with regards to the blower motor how to get it out easily. There's videos on how to take the glove box out. It's pretty straightforward anyway. The blower motor is here, and so this is the bit that actually jams up. You can take all of the screws out and pull everything out if you really want to, but generally the easiest way is to go through the bottom. There's 3 screws. They're actually torque heads. So there's one there, there's one here, and there's also one there. Pretty easy to take out. I've already undone them just with my bit. It's a 5/16, so I'll pull this out and I'll show you. You don't have to pull all the structure out, but this just makes it much easier. My fan was actually making a strange noise, if I can find that screw, making a strange noise, and I ended up pulling this out once before. So it pulls the whole motor out, and if you see in there, it's got all of the leaves in there. It was making obviously a buzzing noise, and it's a pain in the backside. So refitting is exactly the same as taking it out. 3 bolts. You don't have to take out any of the other screws, anything like that. Much easier. All right, hope this helps. Hope it helps someone, because at the end of the day, you fluff around and it's challenging. But good luck with it all. Thanks. Bye.